look good enough to drink? Well, believe it or not, the water in this tank used to look like this. It's being treated and reclaimed at Coca-Cola's Shenmei bottling plant in Shanghai, part of a government scheme to promote the trading of recycled water between companies to try and conserve the resource. Coke uses tap water to wash bottles on the production line. Once water goes through the settling tanks, it's filtered and bacteria are used to help break down the impurities and reduce the water's chemical oxygen demand, or COD. That's the measure of its organic pollution levels. But once that wastewater has been reclaimed and some of the impurities removed, what happens to it?
Our treated water is primarily used to water plants, flush toilets, wash trucks, and most importantly, for our water cooling towers.
The water that's recycled here at Shenmei isn't just used on site. The plant also pumps the reclaimed water to the neighbouring Sharp and Nokia electronics factories.
For more than a year now, the pipes have been open to these two partner corporations. Like Coke, they use it for irrigation and cooling, and it costs only about half as much as water from the tap.
And as it turns out, as many companies are also focusing on sustainability, this project, working with the World Wildlife Foundation, has also taken on some momentum with other companies here in China and specifically in Shanghai.
And Coke would like to do more.
Our daily capacity is supposed to be 200 tons of water. In reality, we're only working at 50% capacity. Hence, the annual production total is around 200,000 tons.
Just last month, the Environment Ministry in Beijing said the Chinese mainland was going to exceed its 2014 target for cutting water pollution. Pollution from factories has left many of the country's rivers and lakes and much of the groundwater contaminated. And while this year's reduction targets are a modest 2%, government officials hope projects like Shenmei's will gain traction right around the country. Timothy Pope, ICS for CCTV, Shanghai.